Hey, it's Matt from Gravity Forms. Super excited to talk about our new labs section of gravity.com. You can find it at labs.gravity.com. I'll link it wherever you're watching this video. You'll be able to find new and exciting experimental features for Gravity Forms, kicking off with some add-ons and snippets that we've been working on in-house that aren't quite ready for prime time inside the product, and some add-ons and experimental features that might never make it to the core of Gravity Forms unless there's a bunch of feedback and a lot of requests from you, the customer. And speaking of customers, the lab section is exclusively available to current licenses that are being sold. If you have an older license or a license name or plan that is no longer available for sale on the site, you won't have access to labs. Although eligibility may change in the future, we're trying to really keep this as current as possible for new customers who are experiencing Gravity Forms. And you can also register for the community forums if you want to talk about the add-ons or the snippets that you might be trying out from the lab section. You can post a question there. And then we also have a feedback form, which will help us gather feedback. What do you want to see in the labs site? What kind of add-on, what kind of snippet are you looking for? Are you trying one of our new experimental add-ons and you have some feedback about that? Let us know in the feedback form, which we'll link up in this video description. Okay, so let's talk about some of the add-ons that we have available at launch. I'm going to read right from our announcement blog post. We have a collection of add-ons, pop-ups to display Gravity Forms in a pop-up, versioning, true version control for your forms, Google Sheets, highly requested feature. You might eventually see something like this leave the labs site and into more primetime add-on. Feedback, turn your Gravity Form entries into a polished public-facing idea board. And Drip, another highly requested add-on. We also have add-ons like Gravity Forms CLI, Mailjet, Google Docs. You can find more on the add-ons page, which we'll take a look at in a moment. And then we also have a new Snippets Library. If you want to grab some useful code snippets that we've used in-house for Gravity Forms, maybe even with you, if you've ever opened up a support request with us, you can find that all in the snippet section of the lab site. So again, we're just going to reiterate, how do you get access to labs? Number one, you have to have an active license. Labs downloads are available exclusively to customers on currently sold Gravity Form licenses, which we mentioned before. No extra cost, no separate subscription. You can log in and download, head over to labs.gravity.com to browse all the add-ons, and then install and have fun and start exploring. Test things out first in your staging site. Again, these are experimental add-ons. You want to definitely check in a staging environment of your WordPress site before you go to production-ready websites. But this is a new way for us to offer you new and innovative things before they hit the primetime add-on market, if at all. So it's a fantastic way to explore new stuff with Gravity Forms. So keep an eye on the labs, which we have right up on the screen. We'll be adding more stuff to this. You'll see it come through on our blog. I'll talk about it on our podcast. I'll talk about it here on this YouTube channel as well as we add more stuff. In fact, I made a couple add-ons that I'm working through right now, which will be up on labs as experimental. I must emphasize the experimental with the stuff that I've built. But this is part of the exciting times here at Gravity Forms as we are into this new AI era, and we're able to iterate and build stuff in a much faster fashion than ever before. I think Labs gives us a great opportunity to build out these features and get you involved more in the process, right? We'll get some experimental features out. We'll get feedback from you. It'll be a faster way to iterate and try and experiment with Gravity Forms add-ons, and of course, snippets to help get some things done on your WordPress website. Again, watch this space. Stay connected to our YouTube channel, our podcast Breakdown. Search for Breakdown Gravity Forms wherever you get your podcast and tune in there as well. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you want more. Leave a question below. We'll see if we can answer those comments on the YouTube comments below. Thanks for watching.